Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rizka Indah Safawati. You can call me Indah. I am 18 years old. I am from Sumeneb, Madura. My hobby is reading and traveling. Okay. Today's video, I want to explain about B3 waste treatment. Waste. Waste is waste general production process, both industrial and domestic. Various types of waste in the form of garbage, latrines, water, and wastewater from various other domestic activities. B3 waste treatment. Processing of B3 waste of hazardous toxic materials. The phase is domestic solid waste. Organic solid waste can be used as minimal feed so that it is more useful in the of economy beside coconut coil cell. The condition of solid waste can cause air pollution in the form of unpleasant odors from rotting garbage and burning garbage. Besides that, there is also water pollution due to indiscriminate disposal of garbage and leachate seeping from landfills to settlement and water source for residents. There is also a broad pressure on the environment. The problem that makes it difficult to control the landfill is the uncontrolled use or utilization of plastic as a means of wrapping, packaging, and good container as well as product protection. The obstacles in waste management are the lack of coordination between agencies related to the lack of public awareness and weak regulation. When waste is burned, it will release hazardous material into the environment. Waste management. Next is waste management. Waste management is dust collection, transportation, processing, recycling of waste materials. This sentence usually refers to waste materials that are generated from human activities and are usually managed to reduce their impact on health, the environment, or aesthetic. There are 4 concepts from the waste management hierarchy. 1. Reduce, namely reducing waste from the source. 2. Reducer is to reduce waste. 3. Recovery, namely making effort to recover useful materials. 4. Recycle, namely utilizing waste to products or other products. Introduction. Carry out waste management by meeting environmental requirement and landfilling in environmentally friendly landfill. Dangerous toxic material. Hazardous and toxic materials are often treated as B3 substance energy, and or other components which due to their nature, concentration, and or quantity either directly or indirectly and pollute and or damage the environment. Quantity either directly or indirectly can pollute and or damage the environment, endangering the environment, health, and survival, human life, human life, and other living thing. In the condition of toxic and hazardous materials, there are hundreds of B3 compounds which may in the short or long term harm human health and the environment if not managed properly. Environment impact trend effort, effort to prevent batik pollution are by monitoring the amount of chemical circulating and entering the territory of Indonesia and supervising cross-border movements, movement, especially chemicals that are prohibited and limited in use, as well as monitoring books which are used as pesticides. Furthermore, there is B3 waste and B3 management effort. B3 management is regulated in the Rotterdam BRICS Convention or regulates cross-border chemical that are not used. The Stockholm Convention prohibiting the use of monthly types of times chemical. B3 is processed at the Indonesia Waste Management Council. Pressure on the environment due to B3 waste in Indonesia, factories often directly dispose of the resulting B3 waste to the ground without being processed. One example is toxic B3 waste at the factory site. Example of B3 waste. Some example of B3 waste generated by domestic household include used air freshener, clothes bleach, laundry detergent, bathroom cleaner, glass or window cleaner, floor cleaner, wood polisher, oven cleaner, insert repellent, adhesive glue, hairspray, and battery. Okay, industrial was example. Some example of solid industrial was include plastic bags, clothing clips, paper waste, clubs, cables, electricity, chemicals, industrial salt, and so on. Okay. Characteristic of B3 waste: 1. Has corrosive properties. 2. Has irritating properties. 3. Including radioactive materials. 4. Contains poison. 5. Michael's irritation. 6. AC to explode. 7. AC to burn. 8. Has reactive properties. Okay, today, okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video will be useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.